Welcome today in front of me MEIZU M5S, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and here on the right upper corner tap on this three dots or more icon, and here just now go to the settings and you'll see the blacklist section. Just tap there, and here we have now the blocking history, but we have to go to the settings icon on the right upper corner, and here we got the blacklist with our block numbers. And now just to remove one from these numbers from our blacklist, tap just to a number, and here tap to the remove from the blacklist and confirm by tap to OK. And now just go back, and as can you see, we just stay with one number into blacklist, and by the same way we can just remove the second number from the blacklist. Just tap here and confirm by tap to OK. And now we'll go back, and as can you see, our blacklist is empty right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.